Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Reddit account using the mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. On the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the profile page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap Delete Account. You'll now be prompted to log in again to confirm the deletion. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, tap Yes, Delete to proceed. Next, Reddit may ask you to enter a reason for deleting your account. Enter any reason and tap Continue. Finally, tap Delete to permanently remove your Reddit account. Once you do this, your account will be permanently deleted and this action cannot be undone. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.